In this lesson, we are going to go over the mean, median, and mode. So to start off with, the definition of mean is just basically the average. So it's the sum of the values in your data set divided by how many total numbers you have in your data set. And the median is the middle number when the data set is in numerical order. And the mode is the value that occurs most often in your data set. So if we look at this set of data right here, we will find the mean, median, and mode. So to start off with, the mean, like we said, is just the average. So we're just going to take the sum of all of our numbers. So this gets kind of long, but you just add up all of the numbers in your data set divided by how many numbers there are in your data set. So we can see that we have a total of 9 values in our data set. So that's going to be our denominator. So this gives us a mean of 15 when we work out the math. So again, it's just the sum of all the values divided by how many values are present. Now, if we go to the median, we know that we have to have our data set in numerical order, which it is not right now. So we are going to rewrite it, and it's going to look, we're going to count out our 13s, and we see that we have 4 13s, we have 2 14s, we have 1 16, then we have an 18, then we have a 21. And you have to be really careful when you rewrite this in order so that you don't forget any numbers, because that can be easy to accidentally skip over one. And so we need to find the number that lies in the middle. And since we have an odd number, it's going to be a little bit different. We can't just divide by 2, because then we're going to get 4 and we're going to get 9 divided by 2 would be 4 1/2, and we can't take the 4 1/2 data point because we don't have one. So what we're going to do is we're going to say 9 plus 1 to give us an even number. We're just going to add 1 divided by 2. So this tells us that the 5th number is the middle. So we're just adding a digit, or adding a number, to make it an even number so we can figure out which one lies in the middle. So if we number all these, so we can tell which number is which in our, while it's in order, we know we want the 5th number, so that would be 14. So our median is equal to 14. And then again, when you look at it like this, we can see that we have 4 numbers to the left of the median, and then we have 4 numbers to the right of the median. So it is perfectly in the center. And now if we want to find the mode, we can just look at that list that we just made. Since everything is in order, we can clearly see that there are more 13s than any other number. So our mode of the value that occurs the most often is going to be 13. So that is how we go about finding the mean, median, and mode of a data set.